Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Sorkar Jylla kabla pen krea syat ban pendep ya ki jing Thungkam ki badang sateng sakat tukat ni menta kala pentip bahkan Thungkam rajar san sepak Ngut hapo ka Tnat Pulit jong ka Sorkar Jylla kenang ban pen klan syu ka Tnat Pulit ha ka jinga kran migila pathai kubor usembut menteri rang ba ka Jylla ba prestun tensong ubabat rui ka Tnat kampo yeng ulai thu ba ya kini ka kam on sahab ban ra shwa banyak kran sani ha ka jinga lang jong ka kenhun menteri ka ban ajing menjur bat ban pen kelai ki kat tu kat ni ki rule bat tang shio ya ka jing menjur ka Sorkar kan sakhot nak marmar ya ka advertisement ni ka jing pentip pat ba
instructed the police headquarters, DGP, to work out everything and then to send the proposal to the government. So we are waiting for that. New recruitment, now the process is almost completed, where few issues were there relating to the recruitment board rules. So few issues were there where ultimately I have to take to the cabinet. Cabinet will also hopefully they'll approve few changes in the rules which needs to be made, and once that is done, then we will go for advertisement and we will complete the whole process of recruitment again. Roughly we need to recruit in the next recruitment board, I think minimum 2,500 plus.